Where the heck are we? We're in IKEA. Oh my god, they have pandas. Yeah, we're not taking those. Please, Daddy. No. I wish I can live in here. Oh my god, they have stuffed animals and the couch and stuff. Okay, it's time to go. No! We have to go get our stuff. Please, can I stay here more? No, we have to go. You're no fun. Look at this nice chair. What do you think about it? What do you say? Get off these. Get off these. You're gonna get hurt. I fucking told you. I wish we can sleep in here. Daddy, look. We can have this kitchen someday. It's too expensive. Yeah, but our our kitchen is so old and ugly, and this one is so cool and fancy. Well, I'll think about it. Don't you even think about touching the button. Why is it not turning on? Well, it's not plugged in. See? Dad, why is there Asian people here? Don't. Shh, quiet. You're gonna hear us. Get off the bed. No! Stop jumping. But why not? 'Cause we can't jump on that. But why? Why is everything better than our home? Look, a banana charger. We don't need that. Look, donuts. They're fake. Oh. Wow, these plates are so amazing. What are you doing? I wonder when are we gonna go to the play area. I want to get in the bath. You can't. Please. No. But why not, Daddy? 'Cause it's fake water. And we're gonna get in trouble if you go stand on that thing. But Dad, just one time. Just one time, Dad. No! How does it do that? Don't touch it. Please. No. No. Billion times no. Hell no. Who's that? That's just a picture of nobody. But what's that? That's Get off of that. That's what the real world looks like. I can't decide. Get off that. Why not? 'Cause you will fall. I don't. Every time I said please, you said no. Yeah, exactly. Lesson learned. Wee. Don't touch that. Hey, calm down. We're in a public. We don't cry in public. Okay, Daddy. Is that what a girl's room look like? Can we stay here for the night? Yeah, no. Are you hungry? Yeah? Okay, let's go to the cafeteria. Let's go.